AMD announced a new collaboration with Google Cloud, which will see AMD's 5th-generation EPYC processors used to power Google's latest high-performance virtual machines. The C4D and H4D instances are currently in preview and are set to launch globally later this year. They're designed to support demanding workloads such as artificial intelligence inference and high-performance computing tasks. This partnership signifies the intensifying competition among chip makers and cloud providers to dominate the fast-growing AI infrastructure market. ARM Holdings plans to release its financial results for Q4 2025 and FY 2025 on May 7, 2025. Chegg plans to release its Q1 2025 earnings results before market open on May 12, 2025. The company will host a conference call to discuss the financial results at 8 a.m. Eastern Time on the same day. Comstock announced that its executive chairman and CEO, Corrado de Gasperis, will present at the Planet Microcap Showcase, Vegas 2025 on April 23, 2025, at 8 a.m. Pacific Time. Duolingo recently opened Duo's Treehouse, an early learning initiative in Pittsburgh, reflecting their commitment to community development and bilingual education. Despite positive developments, their stock remained flat over the past month due to broader market trends influenced by global trade uncertainties. Analysts predict Duolingo's revenue and earnings will continue to grow through AI and automation for sustained engagement levels. For more on Duolingo and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.